Hello guys, I'm going to talk to you about my Scribble Scrubbies and I hope you like them. They're forest animals and different kinds. I hope you love them. I'm going to switch you around now. Now we're back switched around. Here is all of them, and we have our monkey. Where did he go? Here he is. Put him back up there where he belongs. And then we have a little wolfie. She's taking a nap. Okay, girl. My little wolf. Then we have our giraffe. She's eating some little grass here. We'll get back. She'll stay right there. Here we go, girl. And we have our little octopus. Let's see if we can get her out. He's so wet. The water. Okay, now we have the lion. Little tail. Little lion. Put him back over here. And then we have our little blue here. Little guy. He came down here. He's going to stay under the slide. Then we have our little monkey fella. He got in some mud. We mush. He has little horns here. Pokey horns. Put him back. And then we have our little elephant. He has some water on his trunk. Put him back over here. Oh, there's our velociraptor. Flying back on his treetop. Then, yep. Well, then we have our little koala. Little horn. Yeah, he said hello. Then we have our magical little owl. Dun 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 woo. Bye bye. He flew. Whoopie though. Come back here. Stay right there, little birdie. Woohoo! And then we have boing. Let's see who's gonna say goodbye. Let's see if they're all gonna say goodbye. Bye bye. Goodbye. 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 Splash, splash. Goodbye. Goodbye. Then we have this little guy. Goodbye. Toot, 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 toot. Goodbye. 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 Bye-bye. Flap, flap. Put your favorites below. They don't have any names besides their normal names. This one is called a koala unicorn owl unicorn. And there you go. Goodbye.